Welcome to this week's episode of the Spartan News. I'm your host, Michael.
And I'm Griffin. In this week's episode, we will take a look at some stress relief techniques, check in on a cookie decorating challenge, watch the two of us try things, and much more. Summer school applications are now available. Courses for 2024 will be offered Monday through Thursday, except where noted. The times for classes are 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Enrollment is on a first-come basis. Class sizes are limited. The cost for these classes is $200, except for driver's ed, which is $250. Attaching a check to the application when turning in the application to Mrs. Wolf in the main office is the best way to assure your spot in a class.
2024 graduates, if you haven't already done so, please remember to order cap and gowns through Herf Jones. If you have any questions, reach out to the main office.
Next Tuesday and Wednesday, all current juniors will be taking the Illinois Science Assessment. Juniors with last names starting with A through L will be testing on the 19th, and the remaining juniors will test the following day.
Interested in becoming a member of the Spartanette dance team? Mark your calendars for our upcoming prep clinic on March 18th and 20th from 5 to 7 p.m. in the high school dance room. The clinic is open to all levels of dancers from 7th to 12th grade.
Remember that next Friday, March 22nd, is a 2-hour early dismissal. This is the last day of attendance before spring break, a well-deserved break for everyone.
March 15th is the end of the third quarter. That means we are halfway through the second semester. Now would be a good time to double-check your Canvas pages, talk to teachers about any makeup work you can still complete, and make plans for how to best tackle the rest of the school year. The end is near, but we still have some time to right the ship. Let's finish the school year strong, Spartans.
Let's now go to the latest episode of Trying Things with Zach and Griffin. I cannot wait to see what we are trying this week.
Good morning, America. Welcome back to this week's podcast. Oh, it's not. Good morning. Welcome back to Zach and Griffin Try Things. Today, we got dark chocolate covered honey grams with sea salt.
And we also have some churros cookies, which I'm pretty excited for. So.
Yeah, these both look absolutely astonishing.
I agree.
Alright guys, we're back. Oh my god.
That was the dumbest thing. Alright, I'm gonna open this up now since...
Are we doing that one first?
How does one be open? Your turn. Smart. Look at this guy using his brain.
You didn't tell me you bought dog treats.
Wait. They're not. No.
Dude, they actually look so bad.
They're not. They can't be. I refuse. Okay, they might be.
Dude.
Still, we're doing this together.
We're doing this together? This is...
Alright, ready?
Oh, wait.
They're not dog treats. They kind of smell like Scooby Snacks, though. Don't they?
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
It's so dry.
That's so disappointing.
It's so dry. Like, unbelievably dry. There's dry, and then there's this. It's actually whole. It's like the flavor was good.
That was so disappointing.
I'll give it a 6 out of 10.
I'll give it a 3.
Dude.
I was expecting so much more out of it. Like, yes, the flavor is good, but like seriously, bro, like it could have been so. It could have been so much better. They kind of just messed that up. Unbelievable.
Dude, these better.
Alright, pop those open.
Yeah, these better be good. Alright,
ready?
now we got, what is this? The dark chocolate covered honey graham with sea salt.
Not gonna
There's absolutely no sea salt.
There's like
There's-
3 granules.
Yep, specks.
Alright, ready?
Cheers, mate.
3, 2, 1.
It's definitely saltier than I thought it would be.
I love it.
With how little.
It's great.
It's great.
With how little sea salt there is, though, you can still taste a lot of it.
Yeah.
And I really like that part. I might have to give it a 9 out of 10.
I'm gonna go 8 just because I don't like dark chocolate.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm a huge dark chocolate fan.
That's my only factor. But these are
So these are hype, by the way.
These
Go
were
with these.
Yep. Alright, guys, thank you for watching Zach and Griffin Try Things. We'll see you next week.
I sure do love some dark chocolate.
Man, I'm thinking about those graham crackers. With St. Patrick's Day coming up, we wanted to get into the spirit with some origami.
What are we learning to make?
Lucky clovers.
Oh, snap. Let's see how it goes.
We're making hearts and turning it into a clover. Okay, so you need to start by folding your paper. Oh my goodness, like this.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good enough. Then you're gonna take it and fold off this little piece. Okay, fold it in half. Okay, then you're gonna fold it in half again the other way to make a bathtub, not a triangle. Then you take it, fold it up like this to the center crease. Now you're gonna flip it over and fold this up to the middle crease again. Same thing on this side.
Oh my god, it looks like a little house.
Then you flip it over again and fold this part to the middle again so it like lines up with that line there. And do it again on the other side. So you have a square diamond thing. Okay, you're gonna take this and fold it in. Okay, so you take the end piece, so you see this little triangle here? Take it and fold it so it's like that. So it's lined up with this part out here. Okay, so then you're gonna flip this and fold it in half. Fold it in half, but instead of creasing it all the way, you're gonna crease the inside of these weird things. The little wings.
Okay.
Okay, got that?
Yeah.
Now you're gonna fold them in so it's like a little triangle. Take it and tuck it into this part down here. Okay, I'm gonna make 2 more. And then we'll put them together.
Okay, so after making like 4 more hearts or 3, depending on how lucky you want your clover to be, you're gonna make a little stem.
Back to the studio!
So now we are going to take the stem. That's the little shamrock.
Wow, that looks so simple and straightforward.
I might have to do some origami later.
Me too. Let's take a quick break. We'll be right back with some more of the Spartan news.
Are you prepared for your upcoming quizzes and tests? Well, what about the SAT and PSATs? It's crazy how it's March now and most people didn't know that the SATs are right after spring break. The SATs are on April 10th and the day starts like a regular school day at 7:50, but it's an early release day ending the SATs at around 1 p.m. Students should be split up into different classrooms while testing and be given 1 break between the 2 tests. Seniors should not attend school that day. If you want to be a bit extra prepared, you can visit the Test Prep Seminar on Saturday, March 16th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the high school's auditorium. The seminar fee is $90 and good luck, Spartans.
You know, with the ACT and SAT coming up soon, I'm getting pretty stressed.
I have just the thing. This cell segment is about stress relief and relaxation.
Welcome to our social emotional learning segment on ways to relieve your stress and anxiety and calm yourself. One way you can relieve your stress and anxiety is through deep breathing exercises. An example of this is to inhale for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 8, and exhale for 8 seconds. Repeat this process until you feel some sort of stress relief. Try visualizing your happy place. Visualizing your happy place can put you in an overall good mood and make you feel less stress. Progressive muscle relaxation. An example of this would hold out your hand, put it in a fist for about 5 to 8 seconds, and then release for about 5 to 8 seconds. Repeat this process until you feel some sort of muscle relaxation and stress relief. Try out yoga. Yoga can also help with muscle relaxation and stress relief by stretching out your muscles and making you feel overall more relaxed. For stress due to dehydration, try drinking water. Getting fluids in your system can help with your overall mindset and stress relief. Eat food that promotes relaxation. Foods that usually do this are ones that are high in selenium, which lowers anxiety and depression levels, such as nuts, shiitake mushrooms, salmon, cod, and tuna. There's also foods that are high in magnesium, such as pumpkin seeds, spinach, and halibut, or foods that are high in tryptophan, which produces serotonin, such as dark chocolate, red meat, and nuts. Try spending time with your pets. Playing with your pets and spending time with them is proven to reduce your stress levels immensely. And lastly, cut your social media time and news time. Doing this can make you feel less worried about the world around you, instead of being bombarded with a lot of stressful information from around the world.
Wow, that really helped.
Not now. I'm in my happy place.
Summer is coming up soon, and what's a better way to spend your break than to find a job at the Summer Job Expo and earn some money? Let's go to Nolan to learn more about the Summer Job Expo.
Please, sir, do you have any spare change? I'm in need of some money in a summer job.
Well, look no further. On March 15th in the library, a summer job fair is going to be happening.
Wow, how do I apply?
Well, glad you asked. You can go to schooltoolbox.com or check the email sent to you to apply for a job, as long as you are 16 years old or have a reliable way of transportation. You can also visit the Summer Job Expo by signing up through the Google form on Canvas. The Summer Job Expo will be happening in the library where you can get more information and ideas on what jobs you can apply for during the summer.
Wow, I can't believe getting that job actually made me this rich.
You too can just be like this rich boy by signing up for the Summer Job Festival in the library. Sign up now!
You heard him, everybody. Make sure to go to the library on March 15th and check out the Summer Job Expo.
Let's head over to a short segment from the newest podcast here at the Spartan News, the Squadcast.
I hear they did a Guess the Album Cover game with Mr. Daddario.
Let's see how they did.
Kyle, would you like to explain it? We're gonna put an album cover on screen, and it's gonna be blurred, and we're gonna have to guess it.
So Kyle and I will be playing as a team, and Daddario will be going single.
Okay.
So if you know the album cover, just go ahead and slap the buzzer.
I'm not mad that Killer Mike won, but I don't think that was the best album that he's put out. So,
yeah.
That would be Car Seat Headrest, Twin Fantasy.
But is it face to face or mirror to mirror?
Well, they're both the same cover.
That's true.
There's no way to know.
Which one do you prefer?
What's the older one?
Face to face?
Or no, the newer one that came out in 2018.
Okay. I don't know.
Yeah.
That is In the Airplane Over the Sea by Neutral Milk Hotel. We're getting really
I was told I might recognize some of these album covers. I have not, as of yet, recognized any of these album covers.
You'll get there.
That's a producer problem. Thank you, Luke. We love you.
We love you too.
I know what this one is, and I'm gonna give them a chance to.
Oh, I think I know, but I don't remember the album name.
Is this Melancholy and the Infinite Sadness by the Smashing Pumpkins?
I knew it was a Smashing Pumpkins album. I would have never got the actual title.
I think we can allow.
My uncle went to school with Jimmy Chamberlain. Don't give me that.
Then you should be an expert.
I think we can allow artist names.
Okay.
As for
Half credit.
No, I think
Half
it's
credit. Full credit.
Because you
I
know.
I do grade you guys, so maybe.
All right.
True.
Next one.
Dang, I don't know that I would have gotten that many of those album covers.
I agree, but it looks like a lot of fun. I know what I'm going to go watch after school today.
For sure, I'll definitely check out the Sycamore High School YouTube page for more great content.
Two teams going head-to-head to see who can make the best four-leaf clover cookie. Let's go see how they did.
Go ahead and start whenever you're ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Yes, go.
Okay, so I said from the open.
Roll it out.
And I'll grab the very nice.
You roll it out.
freaking grinding, dude.
That should be one.
What? Did you let the dough get a little warm before you started doing that?
No. We just kind of
Mama
started.
didn't put the answers.
Can you help us?
Oh yeah, I'll do that one. Very nice.
So, me and Connor, we made 5 threes, right? 3 little, and they should spread out. I read the packaging, 2 inches apart is how much the cookies will spread, so about 1 inch. So I took that into account and measured it out with my eyeballs, obviously. Made 5 little, we'll cut the stem off with our knife. And then put 2 in the middle to combine them, you know? We might have to glue some stuff together, but got to see it through, my boy. We're cooked, boys. Chat, you want to see? Here we go, chat. I mean, I'm not comfortable right now, but ball is life, and we know how it's gonna be. No.
So we're gonna start shaping it a little bit.
Yeah, I'll draw. Oh, that is 4.
Or 4, whatever you want.
Wow, those are some crunchy looking cookies. I didn't know Gable was such a good cook.
I'd eat that cookie. Way to go, Gable, Connor, and Mason.
That's all we have for this week, Spartans. I'm Mike.
And I'm Griffin. Don't forget to check out the longer versions of those news packages on the Sycamore High School YouTube channel. Happy St. Patrick's Day, Second High.